Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another project to share with you guys. That was a little bit of a tongue twister. But as you guys remember, Beebeecraft sent me a few products, and a few of them were the faux leathers, and I actually used a lot of the faux leathers already. Some of them I used for my fall tans because they were the perfect color tones that I needed to make the bows for my tassels and for the tans. So I had a lot of pastel colors left, and I wanted to try out making a TN cover using the faux leather and paper, well, regular scrapbook paper, using Mod Podge. So this came out really cute. So what I did was I took a baby blue faux leather from Beebeecraft, and then I picked out a really cute pattern scrapbook paper, and that's the one I chose. I thought it was really nice, a nice little combination because it has like the little blue butterflies, and so I thought, oh my god, this is really cute. So what I did was I just Mod Podged everything, and just to kind of give you guys a really quick step-by-step because it kind of takes a little bit. So you cut everything down to size, you know, you cut down your faux leather to size, you cut down your scrapbook paper down to size, to whatever size you needed for your cover, and then you take some Mod Podge and you seal the back side of the paper with Mod Podge, you know, a really generous coat, and then you adhere it to the faux leather, line it up as evenly as you can, and don't worry if you can't line it up perfectly even, so whatever, you know, excess you have, you can always cut off. And then you also Mod Podge the top part of it, you know, give it a really generous coat, and then you have a nice cute little cover. So then you pretty much let it dry off really good. If you have a heating tool, I actually have this one. I forgot where I purchased this one from. It must have been Joann's or Michael's or somewhere around there. But this is the heating tool that I have. It helps a little bit more with the heating process, you know, so that it could dry a lot faster. But if you don't have a heating tool, maybe you can use a blow dryer. One thing that I did learn, because I did try this more than once, was that you can't keep the heating tool really close to it, because otherwise you're going to end up with a burn spot. And you can't keep the heating tool on it for a really long time, like just in that specific spot, because you are going to end up with a burn spot. So there's a few little, you know, things that I learned from creating this, and other than that, the second try was a lot more easier, and I was also a lot more patient than the first time. The first time I tried to do it like really quick, and so you have to kind of take your time with it, be patient, just let it dry fully, and then, you know, make sure that you completely seal all the edges with Mod Podge so that everything stays nice and secure. And then you end up really with a really pretty cover, and I love it. I think it's really pretty. I'm excited that I actually went ahead and did this. So again, you need faux leather, scrapbook paper, Mod Podge, and then a heating tool or a blow dryer if you have one. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and finish this baby up. We're going to add some eyelets. We're going to add an elastic band. We're going to add a cute little decorative statement in the front, and then we're going to add a charm to it to finish it off. So if you guys are excited, go ahead and keep on watching. So the first thing that I'm going to do is add some eyelets to it. So this is my TN right here. And basically I'm going to have to add some eyelets to the top and to the bottom. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my eyelid setter. Let me see. So I'm going to take my pencil or my pen, and I'm just going to go ahead and mark. I'm going to see if I can mark like a little dot. Maybe one right here, one right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing maybe one right here, and then one right here. Something like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna and then I'm gonna do one more. I'm only gonna do 2 for this one. And I'm gonna do one more over here. It looks like it's actually over here somewhere. Oops. So I already kind of marked it with the pen. But see, this is kind of like a trial and error for me. This is something that I've been wanting to try for a while now. So I'm like, if it works, it works. Awesome. I can make more. And if it doesn't, then I have to just keep perfecting it. So that looks pretty good to me. So I'm going to go ahead and take my eyelids. I thought I just grabbed them and put them here somewhere. Oh, here they are. So I just need 4. I actually need to order some more eyelids. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put them in here. Press. Ooh, that worked. Nice. One more. Perfect. Look at how cute that is. It has my little pen marks, but it's okay because I'm not selling this one or anything. I'm just gonna end up keeping it. And then here we have this. And then there we go. Perfect. That looks really good. So not too bad, right? That looks pretty good. All right, awesome. So now we're going to go ahead and add our elastic band. So I usually start from the outside and then I work my way in and then I loop out and then I come back in. I usually like to do 4 or 5 depending on how many inserts I'm going to have. So for sure I usually do like 4 inserts and then I like to do kind of like a folder. So I'm probably going to lead like 5 or 6 of these. So I'm just using the baby blue one. So we're going to go at it again. And then, alright, so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut a little bit off because I'm going to wrap this back around. There we go. And then we're going to loop it through here again. And through here. And then we're going to take this one. And then we're going to go ahead and tighten it up a little bit. Now because this doesn't have like a really sturdy base, you're going to have that little like fold. So don't make it extremely tight. Just make it tight enough. Just make it tight enough that you'll be able to work everything through there. So now we're just going to cut that. Perfect. Right? So now we have that. That looks good. Again, because we don't have a book in here, I'm going to grab one. Alright, I'm going to grab one just to keep it sturdy. Ooh. Yeah. See, that's not... Probably going to need to grab more than one. Alright, let's see if that works. Alright, perfect. That looks good. So again, when you add in all your books, this is not going to wrinkle as much. Everything will straighten out nicely. And then another thing you could do is you can move your eyelids a little bit higher. I really wouldn't recommend it though, because I feel like you would definitely puncture through the edge. So again, just once you add all of your stuff, everything will straighten out nicely. So don't worry about that. Perfect. And so now I'm going to go ahead and add my elastic band in the middle for my closure. So I'm just going to kind of see. There we go. I'm gonna take this. Tying it up a little bit. Alright, so I added my elastic band. It looks good. I'm going to go ahead and add my books. Alright, so I'm going to just put in 4 books to see if I can make it sturdy. There we go. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I love it. All right, perfect. These slide out a little bit, but it's okay. All right. Where are these sliding? Okay. All right, so there we have that. And then I did a little embellishment that I'm going to be adding to this. So I have my glue gun. It's already nice and hot. Just gonna kind of throw this on here. Right, and then I'm gonna take this. Throw that on there. I think I'm missing one more little piece. I don't know where it went. I found it. It's right here. Let's see if I don't burn my finger. There we go. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a pearl to finish it off because I always feel like it's missing something. So I'm just going to put that right there. Just like that. Perfect. All right, and then what I did with this 2-inch circle punch that I have, I just cut out a piece of cardstock paper, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this right here. And this is usually how I adhere them once I want to add them on there. I just make sure I give it a generous coat of glue. And then I gently throw it on here. You don't want to squeeze because you don't want all the glue to come out and stick to your cover. So you just generously adhere everything together. Look at how cute that is. Oh my goodness. You guys, my cover probably needed to be a little bigger because this keeps sliding down. Yeah, so if I wanted to, I would have to make it a little bit bigger, but not bad for a second try. First try was an epic fail. Second try, not so bad. 3 times, it should be a charm. Alright. Perfect. Oh my god, that is so cute. And then, if you guys remember, Beebeecraft also sent me these gummy bears charms. They are the cutest little things ever. I love them. So I made a cute little charm. It has a pink gummy bear and a blue gummy bear. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And so I just added the clasp. And I'm just going to go ahead and pop that on here. And look at how cute that is, you guys. Oh, I'm obsessed. I love it so much. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Beebeecraft. I'm telling you guys, check them out. They have a lot of amazing goodies for you guys for your planning and crafting needs. And their prices are really amazing for the amount of quantity that you get. So definitely go check them out. My information will be linked down below, as well as my discount code, the website, all the links from everything that I got from them will be linked down below as well. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And as always, you know what to do. Give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!